In today's tech video, we're going to be talking about this TV right here. This is a Samsung QLED awesome TV, and we're going to talk about what it's like owning this TV and doing gaming on it. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by this channel and checking out this video. So today we're going to be talking about what it's like to do any kind of gaming. Now, the couple of game systems, the consoles that I own here in my house is my son owns a Nintendo Switch, and then I own a PlayStation 4. So that's what we've hooked up to this thing here. I imagine there's probably not a whole lot of difference whenever you're hooking up like an Xbox or a PlayStation to this thing, but when I've hooked it up to here, it's like it enhanced my gaming experience because I usually play my PlayStation on a 43-inch Samsung TV, and when I hooked it up to the QLED, whoa, it was just like made it the details so much sharper, so much darker and lighter. It just really highlighted my gaming experience. Now, I'm more of a Call of Duty kind of fan whenever I play games, and then I do play a little bit of NBA 2K, but when I hooked it up to this TV here when I was playing Call of Duty, like, along with my sound bar here, it was just like booming. I had to turn it down a few times because it got to be too loud, but I would turn out it was like an evening whenever I was playing the Call of Duty, and then the whites on here were very vibrant and white, and then the darks were very dark. So it was just an awesome experience of playing games on this TV here. So if you're wondering if the gaming experience on this TV is worth it, it surely is. I mean, you can tell a huge difference between playing on a QLED TV than playing on maybe like a 4K or just a regular, smart TV like that. Now, seeing is believing, and it's going to be kind of hard to show you the exact specifics, but I'm going to show you gaming on this TV here. So I'm going to be putting in some footage of where I was playing some Call of Duty on this TV, so that way you can kind of get a visual of what it was like. Let's go ahead and put in that footage now. Now, hopefully you was able to tell how well this TV does with some of those gamings through the different, like the refresh rates of moving from side to side, or the gun and the fast action pace that's in the game. You can see how well it performs with that. You can see some of the visuals and some of the whites and the darks and how vibrant they are and how deep the darks are. Thanks for watching this video, guys, this gaming review of this TV here. Hopefully it was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time and I'd love to have you back on the next one. So until then, be creative.